Today we are making special tea. Let's start.
Keep the water for boil on gas. Water quantity should depend on how many teacups you want to make.
After water boiled, now we mix tea in boiled water.
As you can see, this tea is different from others because it's special. Mix tea well inside boiled water.
On the other side, we take cardamom, ginger, cinnamon and cloves. Now make paste of all ingredients. On other side, our tea is still boiling. Now mix ingredients paste inside boiling tea. Mix well until it smells nice. After mixed well, it's time to add milk. We can use different types of milk like powder, tin or liquid milk. Here I am using milk tin.
Mix well.
You can add more milk according to tea color and taste. Let it boil for some time. I add 1 spoon of powder milk for better taste and mix it. Our tea is ready to serve. It smells very nice because of added ingredients, and it tastes well.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.